Hello everyone. Today we are going to observe the practical regarding tool engineering of resharpening the single point cutting tool as per the given drawing. In this figure you can observe this is a three-dimensional view of single point cutting tool, and you will be given angles for this drawing as side rack angle, end relief angle, end clearance angle, back track angle, cutting edge angle, end cutting edge angle, and as per these values you have to resharpen the single point cutting tool. Okay, so here you can observe the various angles as per which here we are going to perform the resharpening of single point cutting tool on grinding machine. Prior to this, firstly I am going to explain the nomenclature of this single point cutting tool. In this single point cutting tool, we require three reference planes by which we can understand the various angles of single point cutting tool. The first plane, which is a horizontal plane parallel to this surface, is considered as horizontal plane. Next plane is vertical plane, which is parallel to this surface, and third plane is perpendicular to these two planes and considered as auxiliary plane. Now this is end cutting edge, this is side cutting edge, and this is nose. So angle made by the end cutting edge with the auxiliary plane is a end cutting edge angle. Here this is a side cutting edge angle. Now angle made by this side cutting edge with vertical plane is called as side cutting edge angle. Here this is a cutting edge, side cutting edge. So angle made by side cutting edge with horizontal plane is called as a back rack angle. Now this portion, so now observe in this figure, here this is a end cutting edge. So angle made by end cutting edge with horizontal surface is a side rack angle, and here you can observe the single point cutting tool. So this is a face. Okay, this is a face, this is a body of the single point cutting tool, this is a side cutting edge, this is end cutting edge, this is a nose portion. Okay, this is a major flank, this is a minor flank, and the bottommost portion is a heel. Now we will perform the resharpening of this single point cutting tool on grinding machine. Okay, so firstly we will go with the major flank. We will resharpen the major flank in order to provide the relief angle and side cutting edge angle.
Start the tapa.
Okay, now this is a major flank. The resharpening of major flank induces both relief angle and clearance angle. Okay, in order to get the end rack angle, we have to resharpen the face of the single point cutting tool. But here you can observe there is a, here you can find the brazed single point cutting tool. So finishing of face is does not require here. So we will go with resharpening of minor flank. sharpened minor flank which provides end cutting edge angle and end relief angle. Okay, so resharpening of this major flank will help to change the angle of side cutting edge and side relief angle, and resharpening of this minor flank will provide you the end cutting edge angle and end relief angle. Whenever you go for resharpening of this face will help you to change the back rake angle and side rake angle. So this is experiment related with the resharpening of single point cutting tool. Thank you everyone.